Hey there. After installing Kali Linux, the first thing I wanted to do was to hack my neighbor's Wi-Fi. But as a beginner, I have faced a lot of problems while learning and practicing the terminal commands. So I decided to create a Python script that would help me do it. So watch the video till the end first and then follow the steps. To use this tool, we need to install GNOME terminal. Sudo apt install gnome-terminal. I have already installed it. Now we'll download the tool from GitHub. On this page, click on code and copy this link. Now open terminal. I'm gonna save this tool on my desktop. Now to download the tool, use command git clone and paste the link. Let's just make sure if the files are downloaded on the desktop. Perfect. As we can see, there are 3 files. We have to open start.py in terminal using Python just like we use cup from the terminal. First open terminal and type python3, then enter the path of .py file, either type it or using drag and drop. Let me zoom in a little bit. Now guys, we are not responsible for what you do with this script. You are using it at your own risk. The script is safe on its own. There is no malicious code in it. If you are still suspicious about it, you can check the source code by yourself, and we will leave all the commands in the description that are used by this script. Now to continue further, we agree with this statement. To use aircrack, we need sudo privileges. Here we have to carefully enter the interface of Wi-Fi card as we will put it in the monitor mode. And your card should support monitor mode, otherwise it won't work. Usually built-in Wi-Fi cards such as in laptops or in desktop motherboard don't support monitor mode, so make sure your card supports monitor mode. If we enter wrong interface, the script won't work and we will have to start the Python script from the beginning. As we can see, our Wi-Fi interface is WLAN 0, so we have entered WLAN 0 without making any sort of mistake. Now Wi-Fi card is in monitor mode. When the access point we want to target has been successfully scanned, press Ctrl+C to stop scanning. I want to target hacker. Now I will press Ctrl+C to stop scanning. The script now greets us with the list of all the access points scanned above. Now we will enter the serial number of the access point we want to target. I am entering 4. Now the script is asking us for a name for a file to save the grabbed handshake and all other sorts of information. Now we are scanning for all the connected devices to the access point to deauthenticate and grab the handshake. Enter root privileges again to start deauth process. Press Ctrl+C to stop deauth process. As there are multiple devices connected to the access point, the script will reauth all the devices one by one. You can stop deauth process by pressing Ctrl+C, or it will stop after 200 deauth requests on each connected device. The script is now asking us to start the deauth attack again. Check if you have successfully grabbed the handshake. We have successfully grabbed the handshake, but if you don't have handshake in the first try, enter Y to start the deauth process again. It will scan for devices again to check if any new device has been connected to the access point. So as we have successfully grabbed the handshake, we can now stop the out process and exit from the script. Now let's check the .cap file. As you can see, we have successfully grabbed the 4-way handshake. In the next video, we'll crack the hash from the handshake using Hashcat using GPU power. Thanks for watching.